Hi, it's Brigid. A lot of people have asked me how I've been posting all these split screen videos of myself playing with multiple instruments and singing harmonies with myself.
And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say when I'm gone?
I've actually been doing it on my phone, but I'm recording this on my phone, so I'm showing you on an iPad. But you do need an Apple device. So it's an app called A Cappella. Ignore all of my children's Pokemon Go and stuff. It's that little microphone there. When you open it up, you create an account. Very simple to do. It is a free app to download. However, there is a premium upcharge if you want to make videos longer than 30 seconds. Let's say you want to make a new video. You just hit this little icon there. And then it will say, oh, you can see the one I was working on. I'm not going to post that because Steve Cooley would be angry with me because my fiddling's not very good. Anyway, I'm going to say, instead of joining collaboration, I'm going to hit record new. It won't let you run more than one project at a time per device. So even though you have an account and you can log in on accounts all over the world, it's going to be per device. You can't pull up the same project on your iPad that you're working on your iPhone. It's kind of annoying, I think, actually. But replace the current one, yes. So then you can choose. If you don't have a premium account, you probably don't have this many options, but let's just go classic. Say I want to have, we'll make this in simple, 3-part. I like to go ahead and choose custom time mix. That way it will just cut off when I finish because I never know how long my songs are. Hit next, and that's where I'm going. And it gives me this. And say I want to record in the big one first. Hit plus. It's going to take a minute, and then there's my setup. You hit record. It says it's going to sound a lot better with headphones. It's right. So let me put some headphones in. Headphones. Now the headphones are actually connected to this iPad. They have nothing to do with this little mic. This mic is for you, so you can hear me talking about the video. Headphones recommended. So I've got them in. It's going to record using this ridiculous little Apple mic. I know I have like really expensive recording equipment, and guess what we're using? This. But hey, it's a pandemic. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, I'm recording a song. I'm recording a song too long. Okay, that's my pretty amazing song right there, right? Well, actually, let's say I didn't like it. We'd hit redo and you just have a chance to do it over. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue and save it. Song too long. All right, yeah, let's say that was sounding perfectly cool to me. So hit play, it's gonna render it, takes a second. The next thing you can do is you're gonna choose a new space, say this one. And now it's me recording in that one, see? It will play this back and you'll sing along to it. So make sure you have your headphones on, otherwise you're gonna not have separate tracks. So here we go. Ooh, a song too long. All right, let's see if I like that. The song, I'm recording a song too long. This is gonna be my amazing single. And we'll do the same thing there. Oh, gotta render it, say we like it. If you don't like it, you just hit X and redo it. The trick is that you're gonna have to do it all in one take. You can't like punch in anywhere, so gotta practice. Or just not care. Calling a song, ooh, song too long. Yeah, it's really amazing. All right. You just hit play and you can. Hello, I'm recording a song. I'm recording a song too long. It's actually a really short song. How ironic is that? We're going to look at the other options you have down here. You have this one. This is probably your most useful. It allows you to mix it. Again, whatever's highlighted is the one you're working on. So let's say that red one down there is the most important. We're going to make it loud and keep it in the middle. Maybe I'll add some reverb. No echo. You can equalize it. Tell them it's a voice. It's a voice, female vocal refresh. Sure, that sounds good. You can play around with these mixing things. Hello, I'm recording a song. I'm recording a song too long. Lower the volume on that one, and I'll lower the volume on that one. I'm recording a song. I'm recording a song too long. That's it. You can mess around with this as much as you want. I tend not to because this is just an a cappella app. It's not my big final record. If I sit here and I mix around with this forever, then I'm going to torture myself. And remember, you're recording on this deal. I'm sure that there's a way. I think if you have a lightning to USB 3 adapter, you could plug in a USB mic. use your Yeti. You'd still need to wear earphones. You could use a USB mic for that and get real fancy if you want, but I don't feel like we have time for fancy. Afterwards, you just hit yes. You like it. You can change, I don't know, I guess you can put sepia. You can make it look crazy. You know, filters, just like any app. You could add a watermark that says, don't steal my work. And then you hit share, just up here. Share. And you can tag it to like a social community that exists in this A Cappella app if you're really into the social community aspect of it. Most people weren't on there until the pandemic. Again, I'd sort of just been using it for my Patreon community, which if you like this video, join my Patreon community, please. But I love that so many other artists are discovering it now and have asked me how I'm doing it, because it means we can make art by ourselves and at home. You can start collaborating also, which I'll post another video about how to do that later. Follow me and maybe we can do a collaboration together. I play a whole bunch of stuff and I'd really like to play with you because I'm stuck at home with my children who are awesome but who are not very good musicians yet. And that's all. So I've been doing this so far. Bye.